Hey everyone, this is Pip with BitTaxer, and in this video we're going to talk briefly about the user dashboard in BitTaxer. If you have any questions after the tutorial, please feel free to reach out to us using the chat widgets in the BitTaxer app, on our webpage, or by reaching out to us using help@bittaxer.com. The BitTaxer user dashboard is the main hub for users to access all of their uploaded transaction data in BitTaxer. All of the users' buys, sells, transfers, and trades for a given tax year are displayed in their own sections of the dashboard using a graphical representation of the user's transaction data. When the tax year is changed, the data displayed on the dashboard refreshes to that year. You can drill down into further detail for any section by either clicking the section title or by selecting that section from one of the tabs at the top of the dashboard screen. When entering additional transaction data into the dashboard, you have a couple of options. If you scroll down on the dashboard below the graphs, you will see that you have the Import Transactions section, the BitTaxer Custom Templates section, and the Manual Transaction Entry section, just as you saw in the BitTaxer guidance system. They will work the exact same way, but if you are more comfortable following the step-by-step process, you can go up to the top right corner of the page and use the Go to Guidance button. Again, all sections work the same way. Import transactions, you can select your exchange and will be provided instructions. The custom template is provided in the custom template section, and in the manual entry section you will see you can add your transactions manually there. I hope this quick video was helpful in understanding the user dashboard. Don't forget, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out using our chat widgets on our webpage, in the BitTaxer app, or reach out to us using help@bittaxer.com. Thanks again for watching, and thanks for using BitTaxer. Take care.